Welcome. I'm Hannah, and I'm here to show you how to use keyboard shortcuts to select cells in Excel. This video tutorial will walk you through the steps you need to take to make the most out of these efficient shortcuts. So let's get started. Selecting cells is a fundamental task in Excel, and using shortcuts can save you a lot of time and effort. To select a single cell, simply use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move to the desired cell. To select an entire row, press Shift and the spacebar simultaneously. This is especially useful when working with row-specific data. To select an entire column, press Ctrl and the spacebar at the same time. This shortcut is great for applying formatting or functions to an entire column of data. If you want to select a range of cells, click on the starting cell. Then hold down the Shift key while using the arrow keys to expand your selection. For non-adjacent cells, hold down the Control key while clicking on the individual cells or ranges you want to select. Here's a powerful shortcut for selecting all the cells in your worksheet. Press Ctrl and A. This is perfect for formatting or clearing the entire sheet in one go. Keyboard shortcuts for selecting cells are an essential skill for working efficiently in Excel. They're perfect for organizing, analyzing, and editing your data with ease. Are you new here? We are delighted to have you join our online community. Subscribe now and become part of the Sheet Leveler family. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I look forward to our next meeting in my next video.